Hey guys, it's Poochie. It's been a while since I've done one of these tutorials, so you're going to have to forgive me if I'm a little bit rusty at it. Betsy's in the background. Hi, Bets.
Hi.
So Betsy is my assistant in all things, all things. So when I do things, she usually dots the I's and crosses the T's for me. Right, Bets?
Yes.
Yes. She's very valuable. Okay, so here's the thing. If you don't know who I am, my name's Cindy, aka Poochie. My grandma nicknamed me Pooch when I was a very little kid, and the name just stuck. So I am Poochie. I have been running my own businesses for over 30 years successfully. I have been selling on eBay since 1997. So I am no spring chicken, but I have been around the block and I know how to sell online on eBay and make money through e-commerce. So having said that, I run automation accounts for people. I run their businesses for them. Automation just means that you run someone's business for them. They invest the money, you run it for them. That's one of the things that I do. I run my own businesses.
Hello.
I run other people's businesses.
And welcome to the Hoof GP. In this episode, the boys struggle to get the crush into position. They have a cup of tea, and Craig destroys the crush.
Just a little bit.
So, this is a client's account. I also have dogs in the background walking around, as you can see. Another reason that my YouTube is Poochie's Pack, and one of my TikToks also. So anyway, I run people's accounts, and this one...
Hello and welcome to another episode of Craigie Boy Takeover on the Hoof GP. I'm Craig Botwood and I'm taking over the Hoof GP channel today. Me and Kevin are off to an farm together. This is our fourth farm together. And first of all, we need to get the knife sharpened because I sharpened them the other day there and they're still blunt. So I'm going to get that done. Kevin's going to check the cupboards and make sure they're all stocked up, and then we'll head off to the farm.
Okay, that is Louie, by the way. You can find him on Facebook, Shrimp Louie. He's kind of a big deal, he says.
So that's knife sharpened, cupboards are all stocked. Now let's get heading off to this farm.
I found
Should
out
be
that
a pretty easy day for us.
Doing
I
great of a
hope,
job on this account
because most of the week hasn't been.
to.
But I'm sure it's going to be quite funny watching me and Kevin
really
try to
great.
get this
So,
crush into the position it needs to be
I
in.
go over
So
and I
we'll
look
see you guys there.
at account health. And I'm like, okay, so what's going on with this account? Why aren't we selling as much? Even though sales are up 64.5% in the last 31 days, you know, that means we had a bad June. What's going on here? What do we need to correct? Listing impressions are up, everything's up.
So here we've arrived at the farm, and
So
here
I
comes
realized
the
that
worst
on this
part. We've got to get the
account,
crush
we
into
did
that
not
position
have
over there.
the
So which means we'll have to
greatest
take it off and push it in a position
tracking
ourselves.
uploaded
I'm not
on
looking
time
forward to
and
this,
validated,
because Graham usually
which
steers the
I
crush,
like to have
and I
it
usually
at
kind
least
of
at
direct him from
90%,
behind.
if
But
not 95%.
I'm just noticing an issue.
And also, I noticed
I'm
that
assuming she's
there
came
were a
down the
bunch
track
of
from up there,
listings
so
that were
I'll just send her on our way and we can get ourselves in here.
Come on, lass.
just
That way.
stale, like
Come on.
had been out of stock for 30 days, and we
there
haven't
she
sold
goes.
any, and some other ones that have been on for
So here comes the hard part.
6
Let's see
months
how
on
well
this
we get
account,
on.
and we haven't sold any. So it's important to look at, I think, your eBay account. We're just
So
gonna
we've got
talk
it in
about
as close as we can get it, basically.
because
Going to take it off from here,
Amazon's
Get the jockey wheel on.
and get it into position from there.
Businesses are kind of the same, but your eBay account is kind of like a garden, okay? So what is going to happen is you're going to need to weed your garden. You're going to need to plant new products, okay? So when you do that, eBay sees you as a more involved
So we've got it in
seller,
position
and will reward
for what
you
Kevin tells
with,
me. So
getting your
have a look.
items more visibility.
Yeah,
This
she's set
account
up nice.
is about
It should be okay. I'm worried though that once we
75%
lift
drop
it,
shipping. It is
this
about
will straighten up
25%
and it won't hit here.
merchants fulfilled from our
so
warehouse
if that does
here.
happen, I'm just gonna
have to do it the old
So
way. Take that when you get
it's
it
a
off
mix
and
of things. It's not just
just
a
tie it
drop
all
shipping
together.
account.
It'll be fine. But first of all, we've run out of power, so
But
let's get hooked
eBay
up.
sees you as if
Get the
you
crush in
list
there.
more items regularly. They see you as a more involved seller, and they reward you with getting you more views.
So
and
as
in
suspected.
return more sales. So Your traffic
That's not
over
hitting the
last
gate,
month,
so
you've
I'm
had
going to have to tie this little gate here on to
167,000
this.
listing impressions.
And that'll keep it secure for the cows
You've
going
had
in.
listing
So let's get the
page
cows in.
views of
Luckily for Craig,
2,770.
we
These are
arranged
both
a
up.
nice
Your sales
and easy
conversion
breezy
rate
week for
is
him.
up.
The cows on this farm have very
0.3%.
few problems.
Okay. This one's
so we
up
shouldn't cause
43%.
him any
This one's
trouble
up 25%.
whatsoever.
This one's only up 0.3%.
That's the first cow in the crush. Let's get
So-
it trimmed.
Right,
Basically,
it's
people
time
are
for some
seeing the
audience
items,
participation.
right? They're viewing
I've
the
taught you guys
page.
a huge
They're
amount
not
of knowledge
converting.
about
So
how
one
to
reason
trim
why
the
they
feet
may not be
of
converting
these
is
animals.
because
So let me know in the
we
comments
have
exactly
items,
what
a
you
lot of
think
items
of
on that are
Craig's
just
trims.
dead
Don't be
items.
back.
So I went
Be gentle,
through
be kind,
and
but be
completely
honest.
If you
cleaned
think
out
I
this
took enough,
account
or
yesterday.
if you think I could have took a little more off.
Not completely.
But personally,
I don't want to do too much.
I don't
on
think
one
her
day,
feet had
because you
much
never
to
wanna
take
take
off.
50%
Not this back
of your
one here,
inventory
anyway.
off of eBay when
And she's
it's just not
pretty.
good. You do it
Damn
little by
level.
little over days, and it looks better to eBay.
This one's
Tracking
overlapping
uploaded
here.
on time and validated.
She'll just
This
need
is
a good
problem,
model
right?
to
Not
put
only
that
the
back
dead
to
inventory,
rights.
because this account had not been gardened well by the virtual assistants that were working on it, but tracking uploaded on time and validated. Okay, you look over here and you see that your seller level, your seller
She has quite a bit of
level,
bruising right here on the
and
corner
your
there.
late shipment rate is you have one late shipment out of 279 transactions. That's nothing. But then you look down and you say, okay, so tracking uploaded
knives
on
are
time
sharp
and validated.
today.
That's only 115 of 156 transactions, which is not good. To be top rated seller on eBay, you have
Take
to
a
have
little more off.
95%. We're at 73%. We're way down here on this account. So I
Level
opened this
it
up
up properly.
to see what the
And she's
heck is
good.
going on. So 7 were
Look at that.
uploaded late. That's
So
too
round
many.
to do the front feet.
7 out of 156 is too many to be uploaded late, but sometimes suppliers, if you drop shipping, they ship late. It just can't be helped. Uploaded on time, but no carrier scan 34, which is 21.79%, which is way too high. So one of the things we're going to work on this account, one of the main things, besides gardening our inventory and pruning out the dead inventory, the out of stock inventory, and the things that haven't sold in 6 months, is we're going to add new items, and we're going to focus on getting the tracking up to where it's at least 90%. Right? Yes, Rugrat says yes. The tracking needs to be up to at least 90%. So that's something that we're going to be working on. Another
My
thing we're
knife
going to work
skills
on this account.
I'm nowhere near as
Return
good as
rate.
Graham's.
Return
But,
rate.
like I
not
say,
that
Graham's been
great.
doing this for 10
So
years.
we're gonna
He's developed them.
I'm going to talk to the VAs
There we
about
go.
the virtual assistants,
Beautiful.
about what items are getting
That's the first
returned,
cow done. Take a
whether
let
we
her
want
go.
to keep those items or whether we want to get rid of those items. Because 16.67% return rate, one item being returned out of 6 for
Now it's time to
baby
speed up this
is
process,
too
because this
much.
could be a
So
while.
we need to see what's going on here, what product it is, etc., and check to see if we want to delete that product. Because if it's making our return rate too much, even if we're selling it, we want to look at it, possibly pull it, because returns are not good for account health. Another thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we're shipping items for drop shipping. We want to make sure we're
So
shipping
today's going
items,
well. Cows are
every day,
behaving.
as
A
soon
few
as
little
we
mishaps,
possibly
but
can.
nothing
We wanna
serious.
order the items,
Now, in
we wanna get
hindsight,
tracking
that
in,
maybe didn't
we want to get
seem
them
like the
moving
best
as soon
thing
as
to
possible.
say,
We
did
don't want
it,
to sit
Craig?
on items
not really.
for a few days or a day
How did the rest of
until
your day
we
go?
order them. That's very important when you drop shipping.
can't
Customer
put it out of
service,
words. I really
and
can't.
getting
You're
things
just about to
to
find
people.
And me and Kev,
quickly.
with the fact that Graham's
So,
not here, we
I
just
hope
thought we'd
this
chill
helped
out
you.
and enjoy some of this sunshine.
Follow
Get a nice
or
hot cup of
subscribe to
tea.
the channel for
Kevin
more
needs a
like
nice hot
this.
cup
I'm
of
going to be
coffee.
doing some more
So Kevin,
tutorial
you've
videos.
been
Like I
working
said,
on
I've been
farms
selling
since
for
when?
running my own
20
businesses for over
plus
30
years.
years.
It's kind of like a
full-time,
almost a family thing. 'Cause I
and I've
mean,
been selling
Graham's your
on
brother-in-law.
eBay
He works for
for,
hoof trimming.
oh
Your brother
my
Mark,
Lord,
he's been working on farms
1997
for
was
God knows how
25
long
years
as well.
ago.
I've worked in farms when I
Selling
was
on
younger,
eBay
when I
for
was like
over
12 years old, but it wasn't anything to do with
years.
cows. Like I never
So,
actually trimmed feet or
it's
anything like that, or even
not that
fed
hard to
cows. I dealt
do.
with chickens.
It's one of my
like,
passions, and so I hope
getting
this
eggs out the
video
shed
helped you.
and
I
mucking
hope
out,
it sells-
mucking out the
helps you
sheds
sell
after
more
them. Ah well,
on
we'll enjoy
eBay
some of this
and be a
sunshine.
more
Cheers.
productive,
So we're on the last couple of cows.
entrepreneur,
We'll get these trimmed,
business person.
and then we'll be
Thanks
off
for watching,
home.
everybody. I appreciate it.
It's been quite a quick day for me and Kevin, which has been brilliant because the